What's up everyone, welcome back to more Assassin's Creed Origins. So, last time we left off on the quests, we're not actually there yet, but we're not far off. We were going to build up to a level 5 so we can go and do the false oracle mission. We won't be able to do that just yet, but that's taking down Medunamun. Now, on the map itself, there's a few missions we can do. There's one here, one there, and a couple others that should help us level up. So the closest one by looks of it is that striking the Anvil side quest. So let's have a look at that. It's only 148 metres away, so we're not that far away from it.
Ptolemy, he has brought great sorrow to us all.
Now I'm not sure if I smashed this statue in the other videos I played, but if we get rid of this guard, we might be able to actually do it. Are there any others? Oh, that's a totally different spot. That looks right.
Move! Now! Clear the way!
Yeah, don't do anything while they're coming along. Right, he's gone far enough away now to
Clear the way! Hey! niet gejit.
what's going on here? Another one's just randomly stopped. And another one that they just all suddenly spawned in. Oh no, we can't do it now, so I have to leave it.
Bayek! Medjay! You're back!
What happened to your blacksmith shop?
Those naked yadded soldiers. Ptolemy's captain saw me making a sword and accused me of being a rebel.
He was not wrong.
They confiscated my tools.
Ah, bastards. All of Siwa needs a blacksmith. Even me.
I cannot help you, Bayek. Not until I get my hammer and tongs back. And I have to get that ugly-ass Apap captain off my ass.
Is this captain with the tools somewhere I can find him?
At the foot of the hills west of here. Camp Medjay.
I will get those tools back, and I will take care of the captain. Benipe said the tools are in Camp Medjay. And the captain who is behind this, he's in Camp Medjay as well.
Okay, so we're off to the actual camp. Let's have a look at what we've got to do. There we go, right over there. It should be a bit easier because we're doing this at night, so most of them should be sleeping and there shouldn't be that much activity happening, so we've just got to make sure we don't run straight in and alert everybody. Everybody's asleep though, isn't it? Right, this might make it really easy for us then. So where are the tools being kept?
I should be cautious around here.
This is alright, we can stay in the class. One over there.
Benipe's tools.
Okay, that's pretty good. Right, there's the captain. And yeah, everyone's all asleep. So if the entrance is right near the long glass that we're actually in, then this shouldn't be a problem. No, it shouldn't be. It's not gonna work.
That's for my friend. That's everything.
Nice.
Benipe will be pleased to hear it.
Right. So we did it without alerting anyone. Is there a loot there?
Hey, what?
Well, back in the glass. Whoa!
Huh?
Something's out here. Close.
Wait, now they've broken up. I don't think they saw anything actually. Because they seem to be making their own little waves now, their roots. Right, let's split up. Let's go in and get that food again. Right, let's go back. Well, that went really well.
Bayek, how did it go?
Here are your tools. That captain won't ever come back here.
At last, I can reopen my shop. Many thanks.
My pleasure.
I found these weapons I had hidden from the soldiers. Please, choose one for yourself. Go ahead, choose one.
Oh,
They're all of equal value.
Nice.
That bow uses a special twine. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot very quickly. The shield is made with bronze and leather. Good protection. Some weapons bounce right off it.
I want to see what he's got here.
It is not large, but that mace can crack a skull with the best of them. That spear, sharp and long. You can keep back and still hurt your enemies. That bow uses a special twine. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot very quickly.
Okay, I think I'll take the bow.
Thank you, my friend.
Come by my shop anytime, Bayek.
Right, quest completed, 500 XP. Oh, we're not far off to a level 5. So what did that give us in terms of our gear? That's a 6. Oh, it's a 13. I would have put that. Right, we can dismantle that. That's a level 4. Well, that's good. So we'll get rid of that. And the tube bow. Okay, so we'll keep that one. Haven't got any other weapons that are pretty good anyway. Shield. Outfit. Okay, that's what we're going to run with. What have we got on the map now? mission down there. Mission up there. Hideaway. Do that one. Now, where can we go? No fast travels. We have to just go straight there. That fast travel is going to put us back, travelling up. Can't fast travel to the home. No, just going to have a travel there. A bit quicker by horse.
Whoa.
Answer me, Chenzera!
Fenuku, it is dangerous here. Get on home.
Bayek, you're back?
Where is Chenzera?
He wanted to see the skulls in the hyena den, but the hyenas came back. I ran this way. Chenzera ran over by the tomb.
You are lucky the hyenas didn't chase you. Go back to the village. I will find your brother. What?
Do I have to tell my parents?
Chenzera got you into this. He will have to talk to them. Now go ahead.
Okay, so we're going to find the little boy. This isn't too hard, but when you come out, it's harder because you've got 5 or 6 hyenas and they're not always easy to kill. So you'll see there's quite a lot of stuff in here to pick up. A few things to read and a few things to collect. So we'll work our way through.
Chenzera! Stay there! I'm coming to get you!
Bayek, is that you? You've come back!
Just look at how amazing this is. I mean, really. Ubisoft, I'm just amazed at how well you've done this. Right, so obviously it's go through there, so let's go the other way first.
How did Chenzura get through here?
You can read all those if you want to pause the video.
Chenzura, are you all right?
I can't believe you are back.
You should not be in here.
I'm hiding from hyenas.
Fenuku told me about that. It is not enough to get yourself in trouble. Now you put your little brother in danger?
But it's with Khemu gone.
All right, I understand. Let's get you out of here.
Bayek, look at that. What is it?
I would like to know myself. Must be very old.
Someday, I'll learn to read what it says.
Which way did you get in?
That way, but that's where the hyenas are. Bayek, I want to tell you, well...
What is it, Chenzura?
It's my fault about Khemu. They asked where you were, and I didn't think it would hurt anybody if I told them.
Chenzura, don't feel bad. You had no way of knowing what they would do. Anyone would have done the same thing in your place.
I guess.
Ancient writing from the Old Kingdom. Keep close. Oh. Hyena! Chenzura, hide!
They're still here!
Safe now. You better get home.
Bayek, can I ask you something?
Go on.
Could I be a Medjay like you one day?
Well, you can start by looking out for your brother and not taking him to dangerous places.
I promise.
Now get back home.
Right, so we're officially at level 5 now. So we'll be able to take on the assassination of Medunamun mission now. We've saved the little boy. We've been and got the tools back for the tradesman in the market. So, I think there's one more mission we can do, which is down there. The healer. And one there. So what we'll probably do is the actual quest for this one. Find and kill Medunamun, then we'll end the video. Okay, so off we go. Let's just take this in for a second. I mean, look at this. Such a great job. They really have done it well.
Whoa. Yeah.
Out of the way! Hey! Are you drunk?
Heron?
Nick any Sigiriet. High position, Gere.
Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
I am dying of thirst. Please. By the love of Amun, please! Water! Please! Water!
It's obviously not going to be as easy as it was before, because they're all sleeping. This is at night time. When I did it in the day, I found a route to actually follow around and then get him. But you can see he's asleep, and the other guard is still awake. So a little bit more challenging, but I think we can probably do it. Don't want to whistle because that night.
I am dying of thirst. Please! By the love of Amun, please!
Wait, did I...
Water! Please! Water! Well deserved.
Any village.
Moving now.
But to question them all.
I am dying of
course, my
thirst.
lord.
Please! By the love of Amun, please!
That's the pathway when you get to.
Round up the oldest villagers for me
You
to
cannot
question.
lock us up like this!
The oldest, my lord.
One may have heard an ancient story or know about the vault.
What?
This is a holy place! The sacred Temple of Amun!
Get me out of here!
I'm going to gut you when I
What?
find you.
That's close.
The gods will not forgive.
Hey!
Right, I need to get.
This is a holy place! The sacred Temple of Amun!
Up on that route. That square route.
What? The gods will not forgive you.
Don't worry, you didn't see anything.
Nothing. Better stay
Yep,
sharp.
you saw nothing. Why does he have to be in there? Might be able to. No, he's right in the doorway. I'm gonna have to get him to come out.
Form a wall! Damn it! Where? Hey! To me, brother!
Work together!
You have returned.
To right your wrong.
I die my work unfinished. So close, so very close to ushering in the perpetual rule of the strong and virtuous.
Virtue!
The vault will give us the power of the gods! What is one boy?
What is one boy?
Papa?
So close. Hey, one more.
Okay.
Hey.
Well, I can try. This way, I'll get 2.
Sure.
Well,
Up. Strong. Ready?
yes. Oh, you made me miss. You.
Khemu, come here. I found a hyena cave.
A real one?
Yes,
Go ahead.
you're gonna love it. There's like 16 hyenas, and they're so
16?
dark and scary.
Well, you know what? I'd rather go hunt with my papa.
You always get too scared.
Hey. Hey. Let's go on a real hunt. Huh?
All right.
Come.
What are we hunting?
The Oracle wants the pelt of an ibex stag for the ceremony.
You will stand next to the pharaoh, won't you, Bayek? You're the Medjay.
When I'm Medjay, I'll stand next to the pharaoh.
You'll never be Medjay. You're too scared.
That's not true.
What about the hyena cave?
Shut up.
Enough, you two.
The sand is so hot on my feet.
Sometimes they light on fire. It makes you faster. It is up ahead.
Can I come?
Hey, your mother's waiting for you.
All right. See you at the ceremony, Khemu.
Bye, Chinzira.
The herd is around here. We don't want just any stag. We want the pack leader.
Which one is he?
Big, with giant horns. Quiet now. Do what I do. Hey, this is my favorite part. Stay low. They will spot us unless we become like Amun, the god of hiddenness.
Yes, Papa. We are the hidden ones. Oh no, I scared them.
It's okay. More time for us to spend together. Enjoy the journey. Stay with me. We can do it together. See? My eyes and hand are in line with the arrow. That is the only way to shoot true.
I wish I could... Papa! He's running away.
Patience, my boy. We will get him.
Amun, seti erdemi eni.
See? My eyes and hand are in line with the arrow. Hit!
Did you hurt him?
A clean shot to the heart hardly hurts at all. Let us get that pelt. We will take this to the Oracle before it gets dark.
One day, I want to shoot an arrow through the sun.
You can. Your arrow will have to become Senu.
Imagine, all my arrows are senus. Then I'll be able to hunt anything.
You said you'd like to see the Pharaoh up close.
Yeah.
What if you stand with me by his side?
Can I do that?
As my son and the future Medjay, yes.
Papa, what is a Medjay really?
The first Medjay was a protector of the Pharaoh. But now, it means you must protect all the people of Egypt. Not just protect them, but work for their well-being.
Oh, Papa, I'm so excited to be Medjay one day. You know all the secrets of Siwa. What if I never grow up to be a Medjay?
Of course you will. You are my son.
But I get scared.
Hold on. Let's go this way.
I try to be brave, but sometimes it's hard.
When I was about your age, sometimes I got scared too. Your grandfather was a well-known Medjay, and he wanted me to bring honor to the family when I succeeded him.
Yeah?
One day, he took me up this way.
What word did your father say?
Jump! Don't think so long. Jump.
Yes, Papa.
Hey, trust me. You can.
I do. I will.
Jump then. Come back. You're not ready.
I can do it, Papa. I can.
Shut up, you filthy little shit!
Help! Help me! That's Shanzira!
I said shut up!
Run home to your mother. Chenzera will be fine. I will take care of it.
Medjay Bayek!
Go, now.
I'm scared. I don't want to go home alone.
Khemu, just do what I say, please. Go!
Medjay Bayek!
I'm indeed Medjay here. Who summons me?
Sheath your weapon and follow me.
You said you only wanted to talk to him! Oh!
Come.
Who are you to give commands to me?
You piece of shit. We don't have time to piss away. He is mine!
Make a sound and you're dead.
What took you so long?
Didn't want to be seen, sir. Kept to the shadows.
We are pleased you have joined us, Medjay. It is of great importance that we gain access to the vault. The temple priests stubbornly refuse to assist us. You are perhaps reluctant out of loyalty to the Oracle. We have someone to help convince you otherwise.
Quiet!
Come along. See that no one comes in.
Khemu, are you hurt?
Go ahead. Try it your way.
I'll leave my son out of this!
Your son has something to explain to you. Would the Ibis show him the orb? We believe we need this to enter the vault. This is a waste of time! The boy is frightened. It's all right.
Papa, they need you to tell them about the vault. They need to know how to use this.
As Medjay, you must have some clue or key or legend that explains its use.
I don't know anything about this vault! Please leave my son out of this!
The pharaoh has been aroused. He insists.
He will be discovered. Quickly! Talk to your son. If the vault isn't open when we return, you'll never see him again.
Papa! I did what you said, but...
It's all right, son. No?
Papa, I can get it to you.
What? No! Khemu, don't!
They're going to hurt us.
Khemu, Khemu!
This foolish waste of time!
Khemu! Come.
Out of time? Tell us!
I don't know.
We must go now. I will cut the heart from the boy.
No, wait.
He will never know the afterlife.
No, I will tell you. I will tell you.
You're stalling for time. What's this? Stop! This is madness! The snake takes that as your answer. Shut up!
We thought you were dead. You could not even save your own son. You are no one. Bayek of nothing. Father to nobody!
And here is your nobody! May the Hidden One greet you. The Lord of the Duat awaits.
Well done, my friend. Our hero returns. You brought joy to Siwa.
I should get to Alexandria. I need to see Aya.
Don't be in too much of a hurry. Siwa will always need its Medjay.
But you are the protector here now. I'm always pleased to help.
Come see me when you are certain you are ready to go. We will drink beers to our friendship, huh?
Okay, so the Ibis Medunamun is dead. We've got 1,250 XP for that. And the quest is complete. And we are now at level 6. May I move beside you? I don't know what that mission is. Something that level 5, it's only 14 meters away. Okay, also on the map we have the healer, and this one down here, and then a main quest and some other viewpoints to open. I might do those outside of the recording just to open up some more of the map. Anyway, that's where we're going to leave it. So I hope you enjoyed what you've seen so far. If you have, leave a like and a comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.